going on, fam? Welcome back to another episode. If this is your first time and you like Corvette content, Jeep content, or just car content in general, hit that subscribe button for us and become a follower, a supporter. If you do support the channel already, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Every single one of you means a lot. Every single one of you counts a lot to help this channel grow. So we appreciate your support. We are headed to the car park right now over at Atlanta Custom Wraps, the famous world wrap shop, the rapper's rapper, if you guys have heard of him. Anyways, Justin over at ACW and his entire crew out there do some amazing work, amazing wraps on the vehicle. They're very famous for doing some of the camo wraps, you know, and pretty much has been seen worldwide. They've also done some crazy stuff like take the doors off of the Lamborghini, I think it was the Huracan that he had first, now the C8, and a couple other cars. So pretty wild stuff. Anyways, we are headed over there because they do a car, sort of a car meet, car show. I don't know if it's once a month, somewhere around there, called the Car Park, and it's put together by the Clutch Media. There's gonna be a couple famous YouTubers there, like Do It With Dan, DWI, I forget what the rest of it is. Anyways, Justin himself, you know, they're very well known, and a couple others that are going to be there. So anyways, we are headed over there to see what we see. There should be some really cool cars over there, and hopefully we can get some of those on video. Maybe we'll get some donuts. They like to do some crazy stuff in the back parking lot, some, you know, some in some of the videos that I've watched and some of the shows that they put together. So anyways, we're gonna go check it out, take a look. It is kind of crappy out. I was gonna take the top off, but it is raining, it's wet, so we're gonna get the C8 dirty for the first time. That's all right, it's just a car. I just hate cleaning cars after they've been in the rain. So, but anyways, that is the weather for today. So not the greatest weather, as you guys can see. Going over a puddle here. So anyways, let's head over and see what they've got going on there today. So yeah, actually that's a good idea to bring up but I can get the bricks and bullets. Alright guys, we are heading home. That was a great event over at Atlanta Custom Wraps, otherwise known as ACW. Got to meet Justin in person. Never, you know, we exchange comments and pictures on Instagram all the time. And I met him once before, but he was really busy. He's got a lot of fans, given that he was on, obviously from the shop, from the worldwide recognition with the wraps and everything else. And then he was on Netflix Fastest Car. If you guys haven't watched that, check it out, pretty cool. A couple of YouTubers were on there. Anyways, the event was great, huge turnout. It got dark really quickly, and it's dark in here right now, so I don't know how much you guys will be able to see, but anyways, great turnout. A lot of cool cars there. Definitely a bunch of cool Corvettes making a ton of horsepower. There were a couple of McLarens there, including Justin's 720, the famous 720S from the show itself, and nice 570. You guys know I love the 570, would love to have one someday. That's still my bucket list dream car. Would love a 720, but that's definitely out of the budget range right now. So we'll see if we can land a 570 someday, or in the near future sometime. But anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed that. I didn't get to film a whole lot, and unfortunately it's now getting dark. You know, when the time changes in the summer, we normally can enjoy up to 9 p.m. being outside. On top of that, it was cloudy, overcast, rainy, so it rained a little bit, and that just made it get dark really quickly. And I know the GoPro just doesn't have the greatest low lighting recording, so I don't even know if you guys will be able to see me here. Hopefully you can. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Just another quick video. We'll try to go into some earlier ones in the day. and see if we can capture better footage during the daytime, but I was not able to get a whole lot. Was really busy. The car does draw a lot of attention, which is great. And I also ran into a really good buddy of mine, one of my best friends ever, and he was at the show, so that was pretty epic to see him there. We had not seen each other in a long time. I still would do anything for this man. If you're watching, Jay, you know, every time that you know, we go way back, but if you ever need anything, you just say it, buddy. But yeah, so it was great running into him, and we just got to catching up. It's been a while since we had seen each other. We used to work together, so we had a lot of catching up to do, and so I didn't film a whole lot, but it was worth it. Like I said, catching up with my buddy Jay, and not getting to see him as often as I would like. It was a good time, but yeah, great turnout, man. It was awesome. Glad I went over there. Glad I got to meet Justin in person and several other of you that were out there as well. And again, thanks for watching, everybody. If you don't follow the channel, hit that like button. We'll bring more content, try to keep this channel pumping and going, but we need your support. So if you follow us, thank you. If you do, give us a like, leave a comment below, engage us, give us some feedback. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one.